How to recover TikTok account with only username. If you are looking to log into your TikTok with only your username and want to recover it, first thing you do is head over to TikTok and to your account login page. Now from here, select use phone, email, or username at the very top. And then from here, you're going to have to enter the username right here. Once you have done that, just enter the username of your account and then continue. And once that is done, you're going to have to enter a password. But if you don't see this, if you've forgotten your password, tap on the need help option at the top right, and you will be directed to another page. So from here, click on recover your account. And now you'll be able to see different options. So select whichever account that you want to recover, look for your account and tap on it. And once you have done that, you will be getting a reset email and you can easily go ahead and recover it. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.